So these are some animation rigging tests that I did when I was comparing animation rigging to Final IK. It's been a while since I made these, so hopefully I'll remember what I have to do with it to make it do things. I'm going to start just having an idle animation, then I'm going to have it when I turn off the idle go into sitting and laying. What I have the effectors for animation rigging set on are whenever you're laying down in the bed, so that we'll be able to angle the back up to have that back part up. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my animation rigging. So now we have our character that's angled up here. So let's go ahead and layer some animations over top here. So I'm going to make it so that she's a little bit cold. And then I'm going to have her coughing as well. So a normal laying animation is played. Animation rigging now angles her up, and then we layered cold and coughing over top of that. So I'll go ahead and turn these off, and I'm going to go ahead and bring in idles. So right now in idle, she is texting, and then she's going to go over into smoking. And while all those are playing, we can also go over here and undo our animation rigging and see that all that blends in nice and smoothly. We can go over and have her set up again as she's going through all this stuff. So the layers I have set up on all these are just on upper body. So you can see how all these are playing with each other. She's being affected by the bed going up top there. Go ahead and turn off our idles layer. Go back over to our bed, and I'm going to layer down. And then let's have her go ahead and get up now. So when she's up, we'll go ahead and we'll apply those idle animations just to be able to see what those looked like whenever she was standing here. So there she is, talking on the phone. So there's our basics of animation rigging with some different layers and effectors in place. And it really was pretty straightforward to set up, and it's worked pretty well. And that's what we got.